Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Jayo Pla is probably one of the most versatile and innovative products to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of functionality and user-friendly design that appeals to a wide range of consumers. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking for an upgrade or a beginner seeking a reliable and easy-to-use solution, this product aims to exceed expectations with its thoughtful engineering and robust performance. Its sleek aesthetic is matched only by its powerful capabilities, making it a standout choice for anyone prioritizing quality and efficiency in their daily lives or specific projects. Prepare to be impressed by how seamlessly it integrates into your routine, enhancing productivity and delivering exceptional results. Number 5. ANYCUBIC PLA 3D Printer Filament. Experience a smarter printing process. Our filaments have intelligent chips that automatically identify printing information when used with compatible printers, making your experience smoother and more efficient. Achieve precise prints every time. With a minimal dimensional tolerance of plus 0.02 mm, it ensures a consistent outflow for homogeneous results. Enjoy stable printing with minimal shrinkage and excellent layer fusion. Discover premium quality that's easy to use. The filament is neatly spooled, preventing tangles and ensuring a smooth feeding experience. This means no clogging, less stringing, and a glossier finish for your creations. Print with confidence thanks to its clog-free design. It's completely dried and vacuum sealed to guarantee a smooth and stable printing experience, free from bubbles and jams. This filament is designed for versatility. It offers great compatibility with a wide range of temperatures and printing speeds, making it suitable for most mainstream 3D printers on the market. What we like. This filament features an intelligent identification chip for seamless integration with compatible printers, enhancing your printing experience. Its high accuracy and consistency ensure smooth, clog-free prints with excellent layer adhesion. If you're looking for a filament that offers smart features and reliable performance for a wide range of printers, this is a great choice. What people say. It prints consistently with no noticeable clogging or printhead problems. The finish is a nice, flat black, and the prints come out solid and reliable. It prints very smoothly and consistently, with nice, clean layers and strong results. The filament feeds well with no tangling or clogging, and the colors look great once printed. The smoothness of this PLA is incredible, delivering prints with sharp detail and minimal layer lines. Even at high-speed settings, the finish remains impressively clean. The filament adheres well to my PI-coated build plate without the need for additional adhesives, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Number 4. TECBEARS PLA Filament 1.75 mm Black. Introducing TECBEARS PLA Filament, a premium choice for your 3D printing needs. Experience superior quality and consistent results with every print. Our filament is neatly wound using advanced machinery and strict quality checks. This ensures a tangle-free and jam-free printing experience, allowing for effortless feeding. Achieve precise prints with a dimensional accuracy of plus 0.02 mm. It's completely dried and vacuum sealed to prevent bubbles and ensure optimal performance. For best results, we recommend an extrusion temperature between 200 to 230 degrees Celsius and a bed temperature of 50 to 65 degrees Celsius. It's compatible with most FDM 3D printers. This versatile filament opens up endless possibilities for creating art, decorations, gifts, tools, and more. Let your imagination run wild. TECBEARS is dedicated to providing excellent 3D printing filaments and outstanding products. We are here to assist you with any questions you may have. What we like. This filament boasts a tangle-free winding system and clog-free extrusion, ensuring a smoother printing process, especially for beginners. It offers good bed adhesion and low shrinkage, resulting in clean prints without warping. If you are a beginner or a 3D printing enthusiast looking for a reliable and easy-to-use filament for multicolor prints, this one is perfect for you. What people say. Prints beautifully. Perfect extrusion and adhesion, without any trouble at all. This is my go-to black PLA. Super easy to work with and comes out with beautiful, shiny prints. This PLA stuck to my Prusa's PEI sheet like glue, and I never had a single failed print the entire roll. Also notable is that the roll was wound perfectly just like a Prusament spool. Number 3. BBLIFE Silk Shiny Rainbow PLA Filament. Introducing the BBLIFE Silk Shiny PLA Filament, a stunning multicolor option for your 3D printing needs. Achieve beautiful, eye-popping glossy prints with its smooth, silk-like finish. This filament is designed for effortless printing. Enjoy a tangle-free experience with no bubbles or jams, ensuring smooth extrusion and stable performance every time. Our high-quality filament is made from 100% new raw material and is compatible with most FDM 3D printers on the market. Experience consistent, precise printing with its accurate diameter tolerance. Elevate your 3D design, craft, and modeling projects with its unique rainbow color. The finished items will boast a beautiful, shiny silk-smooth appearance. Each spool is vacuum sealed to maintain its dryness and high performance over time. You'll also receive an extra filament sample bag with your order. We stand by the quality of our product with premium customer service. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at any time. What we like. Experience stunning prints with its beautiful silk rainbow color, giving your 3D models a shiny, glossy, and eye-popping finish. It's designed for tangle-free and easy printing with smooth extrusion and stable performance. If you love creating vibrant, visually striking 3D crafts, art, or modeling projects and want a filament that makes achieving a glossy look effortless, this is the one to get. What people say. The Jayo Pla filament is known for its excellent print quality, producing smooth and detailed models with minimal stringing. It offers good layer adhesion, ensuring strong and durable prints that are less likely to delaminate. The filament has a consistent diameter, which prevents nozzle clogs and ensures a reliable printing experience. Number 2. Jayo Silk PLA Filament 1.75mm Gold. Discover the beauty of our Silk PLA filament. It offers a glossy, silky texture that brings your 3D models to life with a stunning, smooth finish. Enjoy a seamless printing experience thanks to its neat winding and consistent feeding. This filament ensures smooth, clog-free extrusion for beautiful, shiny prints. Achieve incredible detail with our 1.75mm filament, boasting a high dimensional accuracy of plus 0.02mm. This precision guarantees a stable printing process and excellent model quality. This filament is perfect for a wide range of applications, from handicrafts to industrial designs. It's compatible with most FDM 3D printers, making it a versatile choice for your creative projects. For the best results, we recommend a nozzle temperature between 200 to 230 degrees Celsius and a heated bed temperature of 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. Achieve optimal performance with these settings. Our filament is vacuum sealed with a desiccant pack to protect it from moisture and dust. This packaging ensures no bubbles, reduced shrinkage, and minimal warping for superior prints. We provide fast and effective 24/7 customer support and technical assistance from our product engineer team. We're here to help you solve any issues you may encounter. What we like. Achieve a beautiful, metal-like shiny silk finish with this filament, providing a smooth, silky texture to your 3D models. It's engineered for easy printing with a neatly wound spool that ensures smooth, constant feeding without clogging. If you desire prints with a luxurious, silky sheen and a hassle-free printing experience for handicrafts, artworks, or design samples, this filament is an excellent option. What people say. The pigment was great, very opaque. It has great adhesion, and I have had no print failures or clogs with it so far. The rainbow has a really nice gradient effect. The silky finish gives prints a metallic sheen that looks amazing straight off the bed, no post-processing needed. It's perfect for decorative pieces, cosplay parts, and anything you want to stand out. The filament feeds smoothly, adheres well to the bed, and produces clean layers with minimal stringing. I've had no issues with clogs or warping, and the dimensional accuracy is excellent. The dual-color silk filament provides a beautiful, shimmering finish that adds a touch of elegance to any print. The triple-color PLA filament creates stunning, gradient effects that are perfect for eye-catching designs. Both types of filament bring a unique and creative edge to 3D printing projects. The quality of the prints with these filaments is excellent. The dual-color silk filament prints with a smooth, glossy surface that reflects light beautifully. The triple-color PLA filament transitions smoothly between colors, creating gradient effects that are visually striking. Both filaments have proven to be reliable, with consistent extrusion and minimal issues like stringing or warping. The filaments are easy to work with, feeding smoothly through the printer and adhering well to various build surfaces. I haven't encountered any tangling or clogging issues, which makes the printing process hassle-free. The consistent diameter of the filaments ensures reliable performance and high-quality prints. Number 1. Jayo PETG Filament 1.75 mm Black 1.1 kg. Experience superior durability and impact resistance. It's perfect for creating robust mechanical parts and functional prints. Achieve outstanding transparency and excellent resistance to water and chemicals. Ideal for projects where clarity is key. Get more filament per roll, allowing for up to 10% more prints. This offers a truly cost-effective solution for your projects. Enjoy smooth feeding and extrusion with precise diameter tolerance. It's designed to prevent clogs and bubbles for the best results. Our filament is precisely wound to avoid tangles and line breakage. Included clips keep it neat and ready for your next print. This 1.1 kg spool is designed to be compatible with most FDM 3D printers. Get ready to bring your ideas to life. What we like. This filament offers a unique combination of strong toughness and high impact resistance, making it ideal for functional parts and mechanical components. It also boasts high transparency, perfect for projects that require clear visual effects. If you need a durable, robust filament for printing mechanical parts, brackets, or anything requiring high impact resistance and clarity, this is a cost-effective choice due to the extra filament per roll. What people say. Jayo Pla is very consistent, even across colors. Plus, you get an extra 10% on every spool. Printed very well but is a huge spool for my Bamboo Lab A1 Mini combo. I put the spool on the back holder after it fell off from the regular holder while printing. That worked out okay. I printed right from the packaging, no drying. This Jayo Pla filament has been very solid to work with. The gray color is consistent and looks clean on finished parts, and the filament itself feeds smoothly with no tangles or diameter issues across the spool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.